In this lesson, we're going to be focusing on how to solve questions on ratio and proportion. We're going to be solving many examples. So please, if today is the first time you are watching my videos, please support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel, like my videos, share with your friends, and don't forget to drop a comment. That way, you help me to grow. So let's solve this question. So if A is to B is equals to 3 is to 4 and M is to N is equals to 2 is to 5, find A over M is to B over N. So we write solution. Now we are given A is to B is equals to 3 is to 4. That can be written as A over B equals to 3 over 4. We also given M is to N is equals to 2 over 5. That can also be written as M over N is equals to 2 over 5. Then we have to find A over M is to B over N. So let's simplify this first. So I have A over M now is to also means divide by B over N. So let's just simplify this. So we have A over M. This can be written as divided by B over N. So if we change this division to multiplication, we are going to have A over M multiplied by, we now reverse this fraction, it will be N over B. Now we're given A over B and then M over N. Let's rearrange these fractions. So we can rearrange it as A over B multiplied by N over M. So this and this are the same thing. So let's go ahead and substitute the value of A over B, which is 3 over 4, and the value of M over N, which is 2 over 5, into this. So let me just write it here. Now A over B is given as 3 over 4. What we have here is M over N. What we have here is N over M. So we're going to reverse this fraction. So it's going to be multiplied by 5 over 2. Alright. So 3 times 5 is 15 over 2 times 4 is 8. So the answer to this question is 15 over 8. And then to convert this to ratio form is going to be 15 is to 8, which is given as the option D in this question. So let's move to the next question. A number of sweets were shared out among 3 children, X, Y, and Z, in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 4, respectively. If Z got 8, how many sweets were shared? So first of all, let's find the total ratios in this question. So the total ratio is given as 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is equals to 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. Now we're given that Z got 8, 8 of whatever, 8 sweets that were shared among the children. And then the ratio that belongs to this Z is 4. X, Y, and Z, the ratio of 2, 3, and 4. So Z has this 4 ratio. So we write 4 over the total ratio, which is 9, then multiply by, now we don't know the number of oranges, number of sweets that were shared. So let's present it with X. Alright. So equals to, now this Z got 8 sweets, and then we're asked to find the value of this X, which is the number of sweets that were shared. So 4 times X is equals to 4X over 9 equals to 8. So let's cross multiply. We have 4X is equals to 9 times 8 is equals to 72. So let's divide both sides by 4. This and this will cancel. Then we have X is equals to 70 divided by 2 is going to give us 36. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 36 divided by 2 is 18. So X is equals to 18. So total of 18 sweets were shared among the children, which is this option B. So let's go on and solve the next question. The ratio of the age of a father to that of his son is 9 is to 2. If the son is now 8 years old, the ratio of their ages in 4 years' time will be. So we are given the ratio of the age of a father to his son as 9 is to 2. So the father has 9 and then the son is 2. Now we are told that the son is now 8 years old. If the son is now 8 years old, so from these two, the son becomes 8 years old. Now, what was multiplied by these two to get 8? So, 4 was multiplied by these two to get 8. So, this is a question of proportion. So, since 4 was multiplied by these two to get 8, we're going to multiply this 9 by 4 to get the age of the father that correspond to this age of the son by the time this son was this 8 years old. So 9 times 4 is equal to 36. So now that the son is 8 years old, the father is now 36 years old. So we now ask the ratio of their ages in 4 years' time. So in 4 years' time, we add 4 to their ages. So this is going to be 36 plus 4 is 40. 8 plus 4 is 12. So the ratio is given as father to his son. So here, expressing this in the ratio of father to son is going to be 40 is to 12. Now, let's reduce this to the simplest term. 12 divided by 2 is equals to 6. 40 divided by 2 is 20. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So the ratio of their ages in that 4 years time is given as 10 is to 3, which is this option D in this question. So let's go ahead and solve the next question. This question says if A ratio B is equals to 1 over 4 ratio 3 over 8 and B is to C is equals to 1 over 3 is to 4 over 9, then A is to C is what? We asked to find the ratio of A is to C. So A is to B can be written as A over B is equals to, then you have 1 over 4 over 3 over 8. Then B is to C is given as B over C is equals to 1 over 3 divided by 4 over 9. So if we simplify this A over B, we are going to get this is 1 over 4 divided by 3 over 8. Now we have 1 over 4. To change this division to multiplication, we reverse this fraction, so it will be 8 over 3. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So this will be simplified to 2 over 3. That is A over B. Now for this, we have 1 over 3 divided by 4 over 9. So which we simplify as 1 over 3 multiplied by 9 over 4. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So this becomes 3 over 4, which is B over C. So we have to find A over C. Now A over C is equals to A over B times B over C. Alright, because if we simplify this B and this B is going to cancel. So let's substitute the value of A over B and B over C into this expression. So we have that A over B is equals to 2 over 3 multiplied by B over C is equals to 3 over 4. So this 3 and this 3 will cancel. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So this will be equals to 1 over 2. Then if you express it in ratio, it will be 1 is to 2, which is this option number C. So let's go ahead and solve the next question. Please, if you enjoyed this video, I want you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friends, and drop your comments. A sum of 420 naira is shared among 3 children in the ratio of 6 is to 7 is to 8. The largest share is what? So the sum that was shared is 420 naira. Then the total ratio is given as 6 plus 7 plus 8, which is equals to 21. Now the largest share here is associated with the one that has the higher number here. So here it is equals to 8. So we have 8 over the total ratio, which is 21, multiplied by the 420 naira that was shared. So 8 over 21 times 420 is going to be equals to 460 naira. So this 460 naira is the largest share when this 420 naira is shared between 3 children with the ratio of this 6 is to 7 is to 8. So the answer to this is option C. A sum of 50,000 naira was invested by 2 partners in a project which yielded 90,000 naira. If the profit was shared in the ratio of 3 to 5, the difference between the amount received by the partners is, now the sum that was invested is equals to 50,000 naira. And then the project yielded 90,000 naira. Now, this 90,000 naira is not the profit. It's just like they invested 50,000 naira, and at a particular point in time, they now have 90,000 naira. All right. So the yield here is equals to 90,000 naira. Now, if the profit was shared in the ratio of 3:5, let's find the profit. So the profit is equals to 90,000 naira minus 50,000 naira. So 90,000 naira minus 50,000 naira. This is going to be equals to 40,000 naira. All right. So this is the profit. So this profit is now shared between them in the ratio of 3:5. So let's see the amount that this person here received. So this is now the total ratio is equals to 8. So let me just write that is equals to 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. So let's calculate the amount this 3 here received. So you have 3 over 8 multiplied by 40,000 over 1. So this one is equals to 15,000 naira. So this guy here with the ratio 3 received 15,000 naira. So let's calculate the ratio that this 5 received. So we have 5 over 8 multiplied by 40,000 naira. So this will give you equals to 25,000 naira. So now asked to find the difference between the amount received by the partners. So the difference is 25,000 received by this one, and then 15,000 received by this one. So 25,000 minus 15,000 is going to be equals to 10,000. So the difference between what they received is 10,000 naira, which is this option A. So thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, comment and share with your friends. See you in my next video.